Hey, how's it going on? This is Nathan with Vegetable Surfing. We're here at the property of Corey Butler here in Valdosta, Florida. We'll be doing a repair today. You can see I've outlined it with chalk. We'll look right close. You can see this crease line on the top here. So the first step is going to be to break these seals. So to do that, we want to be as careful as possible while we do this, just not to create any rips or tears. All the cylinders broke. We got a little bit of max transfer. Look right here. Part of this shingle came up while we were breaking these seals, so that affected this shingle's ability to reseal properly. So the next step is going to be to pull all these nails out. While we do this, we want to make sure that these nails don't rip through the shingle. You look right here, you have to pull this nail out from under this shingle because they're ripping through. Another nail pull through. Another nail pull through. Nail somewhere. And another nail pull through. So about 4 nail pull throughs while trying to take these shingles out. You can see these big gaping holes that would cause. That's too solid. shingle is a little big. Don't want to quite go all the way in there. All right, shingles back in. So I got my roof snake here. This is designed to get a flush nail hit without having to pull these shingles back as far. These roof snakes don't always ensure that you get a flush nail hit. Sometimes if the decking's real hard, it just bend those nails in half. You can't see what you're doing, so it makes things difficult. Again, so not going to use a roof snake, just going to use a hammer. And again, I have to lift these shingles past the 45-degree angle to get a flush nail hit with my hammer. If I don't, then I can hit the leading edge of the shingle like so. See all this mat transfer right here. You see the bare fiberglass that's going to keep the shingles built from ever resealing properly. Alright, so shingles back in. I don't want to wipe these granules too aggressively. Just knock the loose ones out and you can start to see the crease lines that were formed. If you look right here, you can see the buckling of the shingle. So these shingles are actually starting to delaminate. So, got crease lines here, here, and down here at the bottom. So let's make this repair. With